positive affirmations for hope. All circumstances are temporary. While I cannot control the world around me, there is so much that I can control, and I focus my energy there. Today, I choose hope. I have a future. I have a purpose. Tomorrow is filled with opportunity. Tomorrow is stronger than yesterday. All troubles fade with time. I can accept disappointment without giving up hope. When I choose hope, anything is possible. Just a small amount of hope is powerful. My hope will give me courage. I hold on. I keep moving forward. There is love, peace, and happiness ahead for me. I have a future. I believe in tomorrow. I believe in me. There is always hope. Hope is available to me in my darkest hour. A small amount of hope is powerful. My hope will give me courage. I hold on. I keep moving forward. I have a future. Today, I choose hope.